what will be our approach? I divide your course into 3 parts. Part 1 of the course is your syllabus completion. And I said I will do 95% of your syllabus. Okay? And I will be focused on the exam question types. So some topics I will teach in deep. Some topics I'll keep it a bit shallow. Some topics I'll guide you. Okay? That depends on what I think the topic is important for. Syllabus completion is largely L1 and L2, part of L2 completion. इससे आप exam qualify नहीं कर सकते. Okay? This is what is called as the foundation course. The foundation course takes approximately 6 months. Then we have a phase 2. Phase 2 is when we have foundation course is 6 days a week. 2 hours is my commitment every day. It can stretch to sometimes 2.5 hours. Okay, be okay with it. Okay, this is your foundation course. Once foundation done, then we have advanced content, जो आपके syllabus में है नहीं, but आपको पता, say in your syllabus, they have not mentioned heat waves, but news में है, they can ask you, I'll teach that to you. The syllabus does not have landforms. Some landforms I will do as a part of initiation, plus some important ones I'll again cover here. Here, lot of interlinkages I'll teach you. Plus I will teach you answer writing. Here, when I'm teaching you answer writing, your most answers will be L1, L2 type of answers. It cannot be L3 questions. Okay? यहाँ पर आपका L3 questions होता है. This will require approximately 4 months, but 2 or 3 days a week, not every day. Then, of course, once you have done this, you have your test series, you have your practice sessions, you have your revision sessions. This also I include along with this one. So some of you have joined only foundation. आप ये खत्म करेंगे 6 months में. Some of you have joined a course called as integrated course, which is this and this. Okay. Now what happens is the foundation course, say I start from say June, July, it'll take me 6 months to count off approximately December तक आपका खत्म होगा the foundation course. The timing for foundation course is 12 to 2 to 30, whatever. Daily classes. The advanced course, okay, I need more time. And the advanced course happens in the second half from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Not every day, twice or thrice a week. So it's your choice. You start from June, you continue up to December. This is 2024. You can give your prelims. Then you can be part of a short course for answer writing and give your mains. That's your choice. Or you join this course. Around September, your 2 classes start. First half, you're doing your foundation course every day. In the afternoons, you come back again twice or thrice a week, where I'll teach you the answer writing. So that's your call. आप कैसे करना चाहते हो? My recommendation is, if preparing for 25, then do it together. ये आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. Either do it this year itself or next year. And this is also the pattern for GS. Remember this. So that's why I'm saying it'll be a bit tight. So when you start off, my suggestion is, let's not think about this at all. अभी सोचिए करना है क्या है हमें? You be with me. Month of June, July, August, 4 महीना is a good amount of time to develop enough content. Then we will take a call. Whether you can manage, not manage. If you can't manage, you let me know. I'll do something else there. If you can manage, my suggestion is you should try. The foundation course is my commitment. I'll finish off much before your prelim examination. Okay? So your approach is, we are going phase-wise preparation. Advanced, yes, advanced is part of integrated. We call that as geography enrichment batches. In fact, advanced course का concept जो है ना, I was the one who started off at least 10-12 years ago. Okay, because I understand the syllabus completion cannot be enough for you. That's where we differ. Even in GS we say, don't finish syllabus alone. You do a bit more on it so that you get ready with answer writing. The mistake people do is, they get into answer writing without the course completion first. तो आप लिख ही नहीं पाओगे ना. से a question like discuss climate change, how it impacts monsoons, and how it has impacted India's agriculture and food security. I must teach you three things, no? Teach climate change first. You must know monsoons completely first. And then you must know about agriculture also. So if you had an answer on this topic without doing the first two, फिर आप कैसे लिखोगे आप answers? So your actual writing starts once the course is completed. You have, and most questions today are all interlinking questions. You should know energy crisis. You must know India's resources. And then you must know the geopolitics. And then add an answer on energy security. You must know the landforms. With landforms ke baad you should know what minerals are there. Then you must know what are the mineral problems and the mineral issues of India's mining laws. ये पूरा linkage है आपका. If you do in parts, you'll be in trouble. ठीक है? That's my first approach. Okay. Approach number one is, I said, we will follow a stage-wise preparation. And again, trust me on that. Second, and I think this is my, again, USP. Your work will be, come to class and make your notes. Okay? Notes I will dictate. Notes you will write while I am speaking. You learn this eventually, don't worry. This is class notes. You have taken 2.5 hours everyday basis पे notes लिख रहे हो. But this is not your study. Class notes is what I am teaching you. Every possibility in the class conditions, you don't understand everything. Because I am moving at a pace. I am moving at some timelines. Some of you have a doubt, but आप पूछ नहीं रहे हो. It's very natural. So when I am teaching in the class, is every possibility that you have not got everything under control. That is why a very important step is self-study, which is based on daily summary writing. We call this as synopsis writing. If you ask my students of the previous batches, they will know me as synopsis sir, because this is one thing I swear by. Synopsis is what? Whatever I've taught you, summarize that on your own. So I have taught you 10 pages. सारा समेट के summarize करके 1 page लिख के दिखाओ मुझे. So when the class goes on, your work is not answer writing. Your work is summarization, which you will show us, get evaluated, submit as a part of your daily assignment. This is where your actual learning happens. And the rule is this: whether I teach you 10 pages or 14 pages, you must summarize into 1 page. See what happens in summarization is, देखो, when you read something, like you're reading, is it possible to read without understanding? I'm asking a question to all of you. Is it possible to read without understanding? Anybody? Possible है या नहीं है? आपको पता नहीं आप क्या पढ़ रहे हो, लेकिन आप पढ़ते चले जा रहे हो. Is it possible? Yes, possible. Okay, I can read French without understanding anything. अगर पापा ने सिखा दिया संस्कृत, मैं गीता पढ़ सकता हूं, कुछ समझ में कुछ ही नहीं आ रहा. I've learned Arabic, I can read the Quran not knowing what I am reading. It's very much possible. And I'm sure you know this. Reading without understanding is 100% possible. One. Number two, while I am dictating to you, is it possible कि आप लिख रहे हो but you are not attentive at all? Is it possible? Yes, possible. आंख खुला हुआ है, सर को घूर रहे हो, you are staring at me, इतना staring that I can burn to death. Okay, if eyes were arrows, I would have been punctured by then. इतना गंदा घूर रहे हो, लेकिन लिख रहे हो, but no idea क्या लिख रहे हो. It's 100% possible. So reading and writing is not the effective way of studying. For studying, what you require is focus and concentration. But if I tell you, these are 10 pages, rewrite the whole thing, but don't write everything down. Write only what you think is important. Write only what you think is, what you will forget. Then it's impossible to write without understanding. I hope you got the point here. एक होता है ना ब्लाइंड कॉपी करना. Blind copy, no brains required. I'm in class 6, I can make a note of my brother who is in class 12. दे दो मुझे, मैं लिख दूंगा पूरा बैठ के. But when I tell you, this is 10 pages, now rewrite the whole thing, but write it down as a compact summary. Pick up the important words alone. Write through diagrams. फिर आपका दिमाग चलेगा. The summary writing is the way of focusing and concentrating. And trust me, if you do this well, 10 out of 10 concepts आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Because I will not leave anything, I'll make you write everything that I'm teaching you. और समझ में नहीं आएगा, next day morning, I spend 15-20 minutes revising the whole thing. आप तब डाउट पूछ लो मुझे, no problem. So summary writing or synopsis writing is a very important part of your daily work. Students ask me, सर क्या क्या पढ़े? मैंने कहा क्या क्या पढ़े साइड रखो, जो पढ़ाया है मैंने समराइज करो पहले. तो my approach will be phase wise study. My approach will be daily summary writing. And once you master this, then we'll start with your answer writing also. Okay?